First, you must have used Microsoft Office for managing your documents like Word, Excel or PowerPoint. But first, using Microsoft Office can be very confusing many times and time consuming due to file conversions, compatibility and Windows system issues. Not only this, Microsoft Office is a paid software and is quite costly. Now what if I say there is a free Microsoft Office alternative that can do exactly what Microsoft Office does for us? Yes, you heard it right. There is the best free alternative for Microsoft Office, and that is exactly what I am going to share with you all in this video. Simply watch the video to know all about best free alternative for Microsoft Office that can help you manage your documents more smartly. Hey folks, Matsuki from WPS Business back with another video, and today I wanna show you all best alternative for Office apps from Microsoft, and that is WPS Office. First, with WPS Office, we can do exactly what we can do with Microsoft Word, Excel or PowerPoint. But the best part is that we can do it absolutely free. Yes, you need not to pay anything to use Word, Excel or PowerPoint on WPS Office. That's not it. We can do so much more with WPS Office. So without wasting much time, let's get started to know all about WPS Office and its features. WPS Office is free all-in-one office suite that is lightweight, feature-rich compressive office suite which can effortlessly create, edit and collaborate on Word, spreadsheets, presentations and PDFs in one place. With the updated interface, WPS Office offers all-in-one workspace for creating and editing any document format effortlessly. It also comes with millions of pre-made templates across different document formats to help us getting our work done at faster speed. And here is why you should choose WPS Office over Microsoft Office or any other Microsoft Office alternative. WPS Office is truly cross-platform and offers free download on Windows, macOS, iOS, Android and Linux. Wow, that's simply insane. Let's give it a try. Simply follow the links in the description and pin comment to visit WPS Office official website. Now click free download. It starts downloading, and once WPS Office free download completes, click on it to start with installation process. Follow the steps to complete installation, and once done, here we have WPS Office with all its features and capabilities. Here at home, it shows recent files that we have edited or created with WPS Office. From here we can open files from local storage like My Computer or WPS Drive, Google Drive or Dropbox. Now from here on left we have Docs, that is same as Microsoft Word. We can create a new Office document from here, can open one by clicking on this, or can also create from templates. Next is Slides, that's alternative for Microsoft PowerPoint. Here also we can create or open a PowerPoint file or can create from templates. Next we have Sheets, that is same as Microsoft Excel. Here also we get all the options to create blank file or from template or open an Excel file. First, WPS Office supports all formats. Yes, we can open files created with Microsoft Office in WPS Office and open files created with WPS Office in Microsoft Office as well. So you need not to worry about compatibilities. Well, that's not it. We can also use WPS Office to manage our PDF documents, like we can edit PDF files, convert PDF to Word directly here in WPS Office. There is no need to install any third-party software to manage our PDF documents. We can do it directly in WPS Office, and there is so much more to talk about this. For now, let's know how to use WPS Office to create a Word document, and for that click on Docs. Now from here we can use different built-in templates for categories like resume. See, here we have so many templates. You can find the one that makes your requirement or the one you like, then can also edit that template. Not only resume, we can also have many more categories like education, letters, graphic design, planners, HR administration. Wow, here we have so many cool templates that we can use. Let's create a blank Word document for now, and for that click blank. Now see, by look you won't find any difference between WPS Word or Microsoft Word. Here we have different tools in Home tab, same as Microsoft Office, like Format Painter, text formatting options, and these headings. Leave these alone for now, and here in WPS document you will find this Start Writing with WPS AI that can help you write content in seconds. Simply type @AI and then press enter. Now from here we can write brainstorm about any topic, create pro and cons list, create outline for a topic, write social media post, write a blog post with WPS AI, can write newsletter, poem or essay, creative story, emails, press releases and much more. Suppose you want to write an essay on social media, then what you can do is simply click on essay. Now here it shows write an essay about let's write social media and then press this. Within seconds it writes an essay on social media. See, here we have well detailed essay on social media ready in seconds. We can click continue to write more. Now see, here we have more content. Can also click rewrite if you don't like what's written, or click discard to erase all. Click accept. Now we can edit our Word document to create a line or paragraph in bold, change font color, can also change alignment. See, everything we can do in Microsoft Word is here in WPS Word, like these tabs: insert, page layout, references, review and view. Well, here in WPS Office we have tools that can help us export Word to PDF, export to picture, auto backup, screen recorder, can also save to cloud docs and then access it from any devices like Android or iPhone, can also use it on Mac or Linux. Here we also have batch rename feature. From here we can rename multiple files with a series name. Let's show you by an example. See, here I have added these files, those have different names. Now I want to rename these to WM Originals documents 1, 2, 3 and 4. For this simply write WM Originals document. Now to add number at last, click add number. Here we can mention if numbers start from 1 or any other number, or can also set increment. Not changing anything here, but don't forget to check this. You want to save files to overwrite or save a copy. Click on save a copy and choose location to desktop. Now click on rename. Within seconds it shows rename finished. Click confirm. Now let's move to desktop and see, here we have WM Originals document 1, 2, 3 and 4. Wow, isn't that amazing feature to have? What do you say about it? Share reviews and feedback in comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe to WM Originals and hit like if you are liking this video. Now let's continue and know about WPS Excel. And for that, click home and then sheets. Here also we can create an Excel file using templates. We have thousands of templates ready that we can use, like these education templates. We have finance templates, planners, marketing, HR, supply chain and more. Let's create one blank spreadsheet, and for that click blank. Here also same as Microsoft Excel, we have tools at home: insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view and tools. Not only this, here in WPS Office we have smart toolbox. This can help us do various tasks like this: autofill sequential numbers or autofill sequential letters, also autofill Roman numeral sequence. Not only this, we can also change formats directly from here, like changing number to text or convert text to number. Suppose we have some data written like this. Now we can simply select all and change format: all caps or lowercase, title case, change case. Not only this, we can also manage duplicates directly from here, like highlight duplicates, fetch duplicates to different sheet. Now see, all the duplicate entries are in this sheet now. Same as we can fetch unique values to different sheet. Now see, all the unique values are here. Well, that's not it. Same as Microsoft Excel, we can use formulas like VLOOKUP, or HLOOKUP. We can do everything in WPS Office Sheets, same as what we can do in Microsoft Office Excel, but here in WPS Office, you need not to pay anything. It's absolutely free. Not to forget, we have WPS Slides that same as Microsoft PowerPoint. And for that, simply click on Home and then click Slides. Now here we can create presentation with templates or can create a blank one. Let's use one template for now, and suppose we want to use this one. Simply click on download. Once downloaded, it will open. Now from here we can edit our presentation template, and here also we get all the tools of Microsoft PowerPoint, but extra we have these tools that can help us to export PowerPoint to PDF, export to picture or video exporting. Yes, we can export our PowerPoint as video. We also have presentation tools that can replace fonts, change batch font settings or insert picture to multiple slides. Are you liking it? So what are you waiting for? Find the links in the description and pin comment to try out WPS Office. Also, don't forget to subscribe to WPS Business and hit like if you are liking this video. Well folks, not to forget, we also have WPS PDF tools that can help us manage our PDF documents more easily. So now let's know how to manage our PDF documents using WPS Office. And for that, click on Home and then click PDF. Now from here we can open a PDF file, create one, edit PDF, convert PDF to Word, can also extract text from PDF document. Click on More. Now here we have more PDF editing tools like Combine, Split and Compress PDF. We also get more PDF convert tools that can help us to convert PDF to Word, convert PDF to Excel, convert PDF to PPT, convert PDF to image or convert image to PDF. For some of these WPS PDF tools are part of WPS Pro, but for most of them are absolutely free. Let's open a PDF document, and for that click this. Now browse through to select a PDF file. See, here we have imported our PDF file. Now from here we can edit PDF. Let's suppose we want to change this line to how mountains are formed. We can change formatting as well. Like we can make text bold. Simply select text from PDF and click this. Can also change font style, size. Can also change alignment from here, and also change line spacing or character spacing from here as well. We can also add text or add picture, can also convert PDF file to editable Word file or convert PDF to image, can also highlight some text in PDF file, can add comment just like this and then can move it to place it anywhere, can also add text box, can also sign PDF documents, and for that simply click sign and then click create sign. Now from here we can add text signature, import an image or can also draw. Let's draw, and after that click OK. Now simply click anywhere on PDF file to place sign. We can also resize it from here. Well folks, we also have OCR PDF. With this we can convert scanned PDF files to editable text, can extract text from PDF file. There are many more tools that we can use within WPS Office, and all these make WPS Office a perfect alternative for Microsoft Office. The best part is that WPS Office is free to use. Yes folks, we can use WPS Word, Excel or PowerPoint for absolutely free. But for some of these PDF tools and WPS AI features are paid. We can upgrade to WPS Pro to use them. But folks, even without those, WPS Office is best alternative for Microsoft Office. I will highly recommend you to try out WPS Office, and if you want to, find the links in the description and pin comment. That's what I had for today. Hope you find this useful. If yes, don't forget to like this video. Also share views and feedback in comments, and if you are new to WPS Business, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Techie Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Do you want to record a screen on PC in 4K high resolution and then edit it to make professional content? Have you lost important WhatsApp chat history? due to accidental deletion. Now want to recover deleted WhatsApp messages? If yes, then this video is for you.